Hello everyone, I'm Romeo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a full-time data engineer at Amazon, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of my biggest secrets. But before, let me introduce you to the sponsor of this video, NordVPN. Wait, who wrote that? Never mind. We're going to be creating a free VPN using AWS. Let's get into it. Okay, to start off, let's talk about the different services we'll be using in this video. First, AWS EC2. This is a service to provide scalable computing capacity in the cloud. You can think about it as a virtual server. Then, AWS AMI. This is a machine image provided and supported by AWS. It's used to launch an EC2 instance with predefined configuration. You can think of it as a template that contains software configuration. Last, openvpn access server. This is the AMI that we are going to be using. It's providing access to openvpn solution in an on-premise way. We're also going to be using openvpn connect, which is the piece of software that will connect our client to our EC2 instance hosting the openvpn access server. Now that we have an overview of the services, let's dive deep in the implementation. Alright, so now let's have a look at the architecture diagram to understand how the overall solution is working and how you guys will be able to watch your favorite Netflix show wherever you are. Here we are. As you can see, our EC2 instance is sitting in your AWS account within a VPC and holds the Open Access Server AMI on it. Please note that this isn't the operating system. The OS is Linux. Our client is here represented on the left of the diagram and is currently separated from the remote server. Netflix in this case. So it's clear that here the VPN is acting as a middleman between your device and the end server that you're trying to access. When a client connects to the VPN, a tunnel is created. This ensures that data transfer is encrypted. Okay, now it's time to build. Okay, so we are now on the AWS console. From here, you will search for the service called EC2. On the EC2 dashboard, select Launch Instance. Then browse More AMI and select Marketplace AMIs. Select openvpn access server and click on Continue. You then have to give a name to your EC2 instance. Then select Free Tier Eligible Instance, T2 Micro. You will be able to run 750 hours of EC2 per month for free. Generate a key pair to SSH later in your EC2 instance. Please make sure to save it as you won't be able to download it again. You can then let all other default settings. And that's it. We are done with the server provisioning part. We can now continue with the server configuration. On the EC2 dashboard, select the instance and click on Connect. You will be prompted with different choices and we are interested in SSH session. So next step is to open your terminal and establish a connection with the EC2 instance you just created. You have to run the following command to SSH in the server. Please paste the path to your key pair and IP address of your instance you just collected from the AWS console. Terminal will prompt you with the configuration setting that you can modify. You can leave everything by default by pressing Enter. Once you're done, you can see that from now on, you will have to log in as the user openvpn as. So please log in again with the new user and run the following command and configure your password. Then you have to access the admin UI from your web browser to enable routing your web traffic through the VPN. Just type the IP address of your EC2 instance in the search bar with port 943 and of course make sure that you have the /admin. Connect using user openvpn and the password you just created. Then click on Configuration, VPN Settings, and enable the option that routes traffic through VPN and it's safe. Make sure to click Update Running Server, otherwise the traffic won't be routing through your VPN. We're almost done here. The last step is just to download the client for your device, install it, and connect. To do so, just search the IP of your instance on internet, connect, and download the client. The client should be already configured with your IP address. However, if this is not the case, just copy the IP address from the AWS console, paste it into the client, connect with your password, and you should now be able to access your VPN. Alright everyone, You should now be able to watch this video from your newly created VPN. Congrats! If you're interested in learning more about cloud computing, you can join AWS Skill Builder, enroll to a class, and earn free certification badges. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to support the channel. Comment down below how I could improve the quality of my video, and more importantly, what kind of content you guys would like to see. So yeah, this is the end for this video. Hope you enjoy it. See you guys in the next one, and au revoir.